Hello and welcome all. The field of construction in New Zealand is a rapidly growing field, and this has led to a shortage of workers in their country. This means that this category of job roles falls under the green list, which means that if you are able to meet the requirements, it is very easy for you to get a job in New Zealand in the construction field. I'm sure many students are also wondering if they can study a degree in construction or related field and then pursue a career in New Zealand. So, in this video, we'll be discussing the various programs in construction that are available in New Zealand, specifically the postgraduate programs, and more about it.
Yes, so if we talk about the students who are thinking of pursuing a PG degree in civil or construction, then they have a lot of opportunity in New Zealand. Like they have University of Auckland, University of Canterbury, Auckland University of Technology, Massey University and Unitec. Plus, these universities offer excellent education along with research-based programs as well.
Yes, New Zealand is an excellent place for engineers if they would like to study and ultimately look for a job there. As you said, that New Zealand is has got a green list, and engineering features in the green list of for New Zealand. So depending on the profile of the students may opt to do a course in civil engineering or construction. The students may opt to do a course that is a master's degree or a postgraduate diploma, which is at level 8 of New Zealand qualification framework, or a graduate diploma, which is at level 7 of New Zealand qualification framework. Furthermore, if the students choose to do a master's degree, they can choose to do a specialization in civil engineering, construction management, geotechnical engineering, earthquake engineering, water engineering, transportation engineering, structural engineering. So the course choice is huge. So whatever you would like to have in terms of your career options, you may choose to do a course.
Yes, so if we look at the entry requirements, say for the master's programs, so ideally a student should at least have a bachelor's in either civil engineering or any related field like construction as well would work for them. And they also need to meet the English language requirements, which is at least IELTS band 6.5 overall with no band less than 6.
Yes, definitely masters is a great option, but students who do not want to go for a masters, then New Zealand has another option for them, which is a post-graduation diploma. Now, this course is for a duration of almost 1 year. Plus, it is best for students who have completed their bachelor's in civil or construction and they are looking forward to boost their career without a commitment to a full-fledged master's degree.
Yes, of course. Postgraduate diploma in engineering, it is another option for students who have got a career in civil engineering and now would like to go for further studies. Now, as we spoke that engineering features in the green list of New Zealand. So once the students they do their postgraduate diploma in engineering, there are high chances that they may find a good job in the specific field. Now, there are certain entry requirements which the students need to meet. The first one is of having a degree in a relevant discipline with good percentage of marks, and the English language requirement is also of IELTS band score of overall 6.5 with no band less than 6 in any of the 4 modules. The students may also opt for an alternate English language test like PTE with an equivalent band score.
So apart from post-graduation, we also have one more option, which is your graduation diploma, and its duration is almost the same as of your post-graduation diploma. It's about 1 year. Plus, it is best for students who might not meet the required English language requirement for your master's as well as for your post-graduation diploma. And if we talk about some of the famous courses under the graduation diploma, then we have highway engineering as well, and this course is best for students who have already completed their bachelor's in civil engineering and they are looking forward to the roles of road or we can say construction management projects.
Yes, since you talked about the graduate diploma, so the entry requirements, as you said, remain similar, which is basically a bachelor's degree, and if this is best for students who are not able to meet the IELTS band 6.5 overall criteria, because the English language requirement for a graduate diploma is IELTS band overall 6.
Okay, whatever course the students may choose to do, there are high chances it may lead to a good career, as the scope of engineering is very good in New Zealand. After the students they have successfully completed a qualification, let's say a master's degree or a postgraduate diploma or a graduate diploma which is at level 7, the students may find a job with number of fields. The job designation could be a civil engineer, construction project manager, building associate, manager, to name a few. And the salary range is also very good. The applicants may expect to get a job starting from New Zealand dollars 90,000 annually. So the scope is huge once you complete a course, and there are high chances that you may land in a job.
Thank you for being here with us, and I'm sure students would have gotten some more information regarding the construction programs and related fields that they can pursue a degree in New Zealand, and the scope of those degrees as well. And if you feel like you need more information regarding this, you can contact West Island Immigration. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.